Creative upcycling turn trash into stunning garden art and decor for compact outdoor spaces. Discover the transformative magic of upcycling with our fantastic ideas tailored for small gardens. In an era where sustainable living and creativity converge, we bring you visionary ways to turn everyday garbage into stunning garden art and decor. This video is your gateway to crafting DIY garden projects that not only add a personal touch to your outdoor spaces, but also underscore your commitment to an eco-friendly lifestyle. Dive into the world of recycling garden items and employing small garden upcycling techniques that allow you to craft a picturesque garden without compromising on environmental values. Whether your aim is a garden makeover or experimenting with sustainable designs, our guide is a repository of innovative ideas. You'll uncover myriad methods for repurposing garden materials, ensuring each piece of garden art you create is both unique and cost-effective. From upcycled garden planters that breathe new life into discarded items to inventive crafts that redefine your garden's aesthetic, each project promises a bespoke touch. Enthusiasts of inexpensive garden improvements and creative garden styling will find this video a treasure trove of inspiration. Transform recycled materials into functional pieces of garden decor that imbue your outdoor spaces with rustic charm. These projects aren't just about decoration. They're about breathing new life into forgotten objects and highlighting the beauty of reinvention. Garden decor fashion from trash is a delightful blend of creativity and responsibility, proving that art can emerge from the most unexpected places. Explore a variety of outdoor art and crafts and garden art recycling projects that inspire and motivate your next garden transformation. Each idea, from colorful bottle planters to whimsical tire sculptures, encourages artistic innovation while adhering to sustainable principles. As you embark on these DIY outdoor art projects, you'll discover that the process is as rewarding as the end result. The satisfaction of knowing you've contributed positively to the environment amplifies the joy of seeing your garden flourish with personality and charm. So whether you're an upcycling novice or a seasoned recycler, there's something in this video for everyone. Engage with us by liking, commenting, and subscribing for more eco-conscious design ideas. Together, let's redefine garden artistry and sustainability, one upcycled masterpiece at a time.